Card wallets are easy to make and great beginner projects, but you can also add some personalized details or have some fun with water marbling leather. The materials used here are 3-ounce vegetable tan saddle leather for the exterior of the wallet and 1.5-ounce vegetable tan pigskin for the lining. To make a card wallet with a flap lid in a horizontal configuration, start by making a sketch and then accurately draw your design in 1:1 scale. A drafting table will work if you want to draw your pattern onto durable paper or poster board, but if you make a lot of patterns, a drawing program like AutoCAD makes it easier. Also, another time-saving device that requires a digital drawing is a laser cutter, which can cut your flat patterns into 1/8 of an inch acrylic for a sturdy cutout template. To use an acrylic cutout template, lightly fasten the pattern piece over top of the leather and trace around the edges with a hobby knife, which is a great method for making very fast and accurate parts. Then scribe your stitching lines 1/8 of an inch from the edges with a set of dividers and mark your stitches, leaving the reverse holes to be punched through after the lining is attached and the card wallet is glued together. Then skive the edges and glue in the lining. I am using a pigskin liner, which is very durable and a bit stretchy, so it is best to smooth out the air pockets and allow the glue to dry on a curve. Gluing the lining in flat might cause the leather to bunch up after the case is folded. Next, stitch up the keeper and the top part of the wallet that will be hard to get at after the wallet is stitched together. When the edge paint is dry, glue up the edges, punch the stitching holes through and finish stitching. Then finish the remaining edges and apply some conditioner to make the leather soft and supple.